This is a review of what we have done so far. We turned on the calculator. We pressed the program button. We scrolled over to create new. Press the 1 button. The alpha's there. We found the hello. XY. So alpha allows you to be able to use the letter keys above each of the keys. Once we've named the program hello XY, we press the enter key. We entered lines of code by pressing once we're in the program, by pressing the program key, scrolling over to the right to the IO key, scrolling down to the DISP, or you can press the number 3. And that is a display command. It tells it to do something. So in order to begin each program, you have to have quotation marks. So we press the alpha key, and the plus key gives us quotation marks. So we can press second and alpha, which will give us an alpha lock. And I'm just going to touch the G and the M for good morning. And suppose I wanted a space. As long as I have alpha on, as long as you see the A flashing, you can go ahead and press the 0. That gives you a space. And I'm going to find CLASS for class. Good morning, class. And everything that starts with a quotation mark you see right here, you also have to end the statement for quotation mark. Plus sign. Alpha plus. One thing to remember, if you make a mistake, you can just press the delete key. Do not press clear, because if you press clear, it'll erase everything. So if you press the delete key, it will just erase that which you consider to be the mistake. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just delete this display Brandon. And once I'm finished, I can just press a second in the mode, because it'll mean quit. It'll take me back to the home screen. So what if I want to execute the program or play it? I press the program button. I select the name of the program I want to execute, and I just press, it's EXEC means execute, that means run. I go ahead and I just either press the enter button if I have the program that I would like to play selected, and it just plays. And then I press enter again. And it says good morning, hello. Good morning, class, hello, awesome. Done. Now we're going to add the clear command, because after the program runs, suppose we want the program to clear. So what we would do, anytime we edit a program, we're going to press the program key, scroll over to the edit, use the right arrow to go to the edit, then select the program we would like to edit. I want to add a line. I wanted to clear the screen first, so before it runs my program. So what I would do to add a line, I would press second. First, I put the arrow on the D in display. I press second and down, which is insert. Now you see it flashing. Go ahead and press the enter key. Now I have an extra line. Take the arrow and go up to the first line. Now I'm going to select the command to clear home screen. So press program, right arrow to IO, and I'm going to press the down arrow until I find 8, which is clear home. When I find clear home, I will press the enter key. Clear home. Now I'm exiting the program. Press second and quit. Let's execute the program. Let's run the program. Press program. We're already on execute. Press the number 1. Press enter. And it cleared the screen and ran our program. We are now going to create a new program. Turn on your calculator. And press the program key. Press the right arrow and touch nib. Press 1 to create a new program. We're going to name it Out Demo 1. So OUTDEMO. And since we want to use the number 1, we're going to take alpha off. So press the alpha key 1 time and press the number 1. Press enter. We're going to start our program with a clear home statement. Again, press the program key, the right arrow, then the right arrow to the IO menu, and we're going to scroll down to option 8, which is clear home. You're going to have to press 8 or the enter key. Remember to now press enter at the end of this line. We are now going to enter the output statement from the same menu. Again, program, right arrow to IO, and we're going to scroll down to option 6, which is output, parenthesis, and we're going to press either enter or 6. In this case, I'll press 6. FYI, the home screen is divided into an invisible grid of characters. The output statement will place your text starting at one of these grid positions using the line number and the column number for that position. The upper left corner is line 1 and column 1. So in other words, it shows the vertical and horizontal position on the screen. So after the open output statement, we're going to type the number 3, comma, 5, comma. And again, just as we did in the other program, anytime we want text to show, we have to have the parentheses. So we, the quotation marks. So anytime that we're displaying text, we want to make sure we have the alpha key. And I did alpha lock with second and alpha. Go ahead and press the plus key, which means quotation mark. And we're going to find the letters for hello, which are H, E, L, L, and O. And then we're going to close the statement with the plus sign, which is the quotation sign. And we need to close the parentheses. So go ahead and press a second, well, just a second key, so that you have the arrow again. Oh, I made a mistake, so I'm pressing delete. So in order to get the alpha off, you just press the alpha key. Make sure your cursor is flashing plain. Then we're going to press the right parentheses. Now we want to run the program, so we're going to go to the home screen and we're going to press second and quit. Well, second mode, which is quit. We're going to press the program key. We're in the execute menu, so we're going to go down to 2, or whatever number yours is. You can either press the number 2 or the enter key and press enter. And as you notice, hello's in the center of the screen. So it's over 3 and down 5. Okay, now we're going to edit our out demo program, and we're going to add a pause statement. Again, go ahead and press the program key, select it, and press it. Make sure this is an execute menu up here, so we need to take the right arrow and select edit. And then the question is, which program are we editing? Out demo. So either we can press 2 or take the down arrow, select the program we would like to edit, which is out demo 1, and we're going to press enter. Now, where would we like to place the pause command? We want to place it after the output. Right now, our cursor is blinking on clear home command, so we need to take the down arrow, and then we need to go over where we're not on any text and press the enter key. New line. So we're going to press program. Now, program is not in the IO menu where we were before. Program is in the CTL menu. We're going to scroll down to pause, which is option 8. We can press 8 or enter. We're just going to press 8. And then we're going to run a program and see what happens. Again, second mode is quit. We can clear the home screen if we would like to. Press program. We're on the execute menu. Scroll down to out demo 1. Press enter. And then once you see the cursor blinking next to the program name, we're going to press enter again. And it runs it. So what does it do? The program is paused at this point, and the user must press the enter key to continue. So press enter.